Hi, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this fake background theme. Now, as you can see, these backgrounds are fake and they are not real. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create this. So why don't we begin? So the first thing you have to do is to record your video. Now, as you can see, I have a very plain background in here. So make sure that when you are recording your video, you have a plain background. You don't have any distractions in the background so that when you remove this background from your video, it will really be easy and very simple to do. So first off, make sure you have enough lighting. There's no shadows at the back. I think I have a couple of shadows in here, but I think it's minimal enough. It's not that significant, but make sure you don't have any shadows in your video, and then make sure you're properly lit. You can either stand or be in front of your window. If you have any lighting, proper lighting gears around, you can do that. I don't have any lighting, so I'm just using the sun right now, and as you can see, it's not that bad, so you can still go with this. The next step is to remove the background from our recorded video. Now, to do this, I'm using a software known as CapCut. If you don't already have this software, it's a free video editor that you can use on your machine. So you can easily go to their website, go to CapCut. It's free to use. Just head over here and download for Windows. Now, once that is done, we can now go ahead and remove the background from our recorded video. So to do this, just go to CapCut and just import your video file in here, as I have already here. And now this is the video file we just recorded. So now what I want to do is head over to video, go to cutout over here, and go to auto cutout. So what this will do is it will try to remove the background from our video. Now it's still processing. That is how you can see, you can still see the background. So it's still processing. You can see over here it says 9% done. So you can wait for everything to finish. So now that we have our video neatly cut out, now it's time to bring in our background image. So to get a background image, I would want you to go to this website, LeonardoAI. This is what we are going to use to generate the studio for our video. So right now, just go ahead and create an account and just sign up. You can do so with your Gmail or just with your email address. Now, when you open the website, this is what you see. You see that it's able to generate beautiful images for you, but what we want to do is create a studio. So let's go ahead and click on create image. Now what I put in here was that create home studio for a web developer during daytime, use a desktop on a desk and bookshelf. So I was very particular about what I want, so just type in here what you want it to generate for you, and as you can see, it has come up with some nice beautiful studios for us that we can use. So let's go ahead and download one of them and just let's import it into our video. So I have one in here which is my favorites, so let's go ahead and download this. So now I want to go ahead and import the studio that we just downloaded from Leonardo.ai. As you can see, I've already imported in here. If you want to import, just click Ctrl I and it will take you to where you have the file and you just upload it. So once I have it already here, all I need to do is just click and drag studio just beneath our video and stretch it like that. Now you can see we will have to scale it a bit, so let's go ahead and go to basic video and then basic, and then just increase the size and just drag it down. Now we want our video to be on top, so to do that, just click on the video and just scroll down and go to layer 2. And as you can see, our video is now placed on our studio. So if we play, you can see now that our video is now placed on our studio. So as you can see, this is nicely done. If you want to move the picture of the studio around, you can do that. You can click on the footage itself or click on the studio and move the studio to the position of your preference. And I think this is good. You don't want to make it too small so that or too big so that it seems out of scope or out of proportion with your video. So once you are done with this and you are okay with that, you can just go ahead and export your video. And yeah, this is a very simple way you can remove or put a background, a nice background generated with AI, on or at the back of your videos. So this is how you can easily create a fake studio for your YouTube videos. If you found this video useful, kindly like the video and also subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you for joining. I hope to see you in the next video.